Click on the link below to get price. The AprilAire E050 Dehumidifier is an impressive solution for controlling humidity in smaller spaces like crawl spaces, attics, and garages. With a capacity of 50 pints per day, PPD, this compact unit is engineered to tackle moisture effectively, maintaining a balanced environment that helps prevent mold growth and structural damage. One of the standout features of the E050 is its compact design. It fits easily in tight spaces, making it ideal for areas where larger dehumidifiers simply won't do. Despite its size, it does not compromise on performance. The unit is capable of efficiently removing excess moisture, which is crucial for protecting your home's integrity and ensuring a healthier living environment. Installation is straightforward, with clear instructions provided. Users can opt for either a gravity drain or a condensate pump, allowing for flexible drainage options depending on the specific setup of their space. The unit operates quietly, which is a significant advantage for those concerned about noise levels in their homes. The dehumidifier also features an intuitive digital display that makes it easy to monitor and adjust settings. Users can set the desired humidity level, and the unit will automatically turn on or off as needed to maintain that level, contributing to energy efficiency. Another highlight is the built-in filter system, which captures dust and allergens, promoting better air quality. The filter is washable and easy to access, making maintenance a breeze. However, it's important to note that while the E050 is designed for smaller spaces, it may struggle in larger areas with high humidity levels. Additionally, some users have reported that the unit can be a bit pricey compared to similar products. Overall, the AprilAire E050 Dehumidifier is a reliable choice for anyone looking to effectively manage humidity in compact spaces. Its robust features, ease of use, and compact design make it a valuable addition to any home that requires moisture control.